Stop gums from bleeding and related problems with Steel Bite Pro. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Simplified Reviews. Are you suffering from bleeding problems? Does your gums bleed every time you brush your teeth? Or do you have any issues related with gums and teeth that you want to fix? If yes, then in this video, you are going to learn to fix your gum bleeding as well as related problems in case you have. If you follow the instructions and best practices that is discussed in this video, then I can guarantee you that your dental problem will eradicate. Let's begin with learning about the common cause for bleeding gums, before learning about solution. The main cause of bleeding gums is the buildup of plaque at the gum line. This will lead to a condition called gingivitis, or inflamed gums. Plaque that is not removed will harden into tartar. This will lead to increased bleeding and a more advanced form of gum and jaw bone disease known as periodontitis. How to stop bleeding gums? There are many ways to help improve your oral health and help eliminate bleeding gums. Since bleeding gums are mainly due to inadequate plaque removal from the teeth at or around the gum line, starting an effective oral hygiene regimen is a great way to help treat and prevent gum bleeding. Here are some oral hygiene tips that will help you keep your entire mouth healthier and help prevent or reduce gum bleeding. Brush often. Brush with anti-gingivitis toothpaste. Floss daily. Combine for best results. See a dentist regularly. However, it is quite common that despite taking enough care, gums bleeding and problems persist. One of the effective solutions is to take supplement called Steel Bite Pro created by Drive. Thomas Spear. This supplement is approved by FDA, which is Food and Drug Administration in US. Steel Bite Pro is a nutritional supplement that promotes oral and dental health. It also gets rid of foul breath, dental decay, toothache, and other problems. This combination, made up of 29 herbs like berberine, turmeric, milk thistle etc. to break down the hardened plaque and tartar, which is responsible for causing the bleeding gums and several more issues like loosening of teeth and gums. Steel Bite Pro is used and trusted by 57,000 customers in America. Here are some reviews shared by some customers. Remember, in some people's, the result will shows quickly, and in some people's, there will be no negative or side effects because it is a natural composition with no additives. Steel Bite Pro is an organic dietary supplement designed to help with teeth and oral hygiene. According to the manufacturer, it reduces the likelihood of getting oral disorders. Steel Bite Pro supplement definitely works best in case of gums problems as well maintain the oral hygiene. Here are some other reasons why many customers are taking Steel Bite Pro as a regular dietary supplements. Steel Bite Pro break down plaque and tartar. Steel Bite Pro cures gums and bleeding problems. No tooth implant requirement. Strength teeth loosening. Getting rid of toothache permanently. Steel Bite Pro treat and cure tooth decay and cavity problems. Get rid of foul smell from mouth. Use it anyway, for oral hygiene. If you wish to learn more about this supplement in detail before you order, then I have shared the link of this Steel Bite Pro supplement review video where I have discussed everything you need to know like whether it is safe to take, do you need to ask doctor, is there any restriction, dosage, supplement ingredients composition etc. Make sure you watch the review video. Cautious, only buy Steel Bite Pro supplement from official website only. There are a lot of fake website that exactly look like same as official one. The only option is to buy online from the official website. Don't even buy from Amazon. Just because you found it cheap. Buying from unauthorized websites might get you scammed. I have shared the link of the official website in the description of this video, where you can buy Steel Bite Pro. Also, you can grab 45% discount through link that is shared below. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, then please give this video a like. Also, please subscribe to my new channel, Simplified Reviews. If you have any question, feel free to drop your comment. Thanks again.